Hi, in another video I show you how make this column, but I show you how make column vertically. But now, because vertically the limit is here, will be 14 for small machine. The height is 40. So if I put the piece horizontally, the long can be more. The length can be any length I want. So I open Microsoft Paint or another program, or another graphic program, and I write some circle jump. This might be okay, but for this I put the fill black. Outline solid color and file solid color, and this mode will be in this mode. So another is square, okay, another is this, okay, and I make some this. I have a block of foam of 50 centimeters long, okay, 50 centimeters long, and thickness 12, okay. So I need to make this 50 centimeters. So I create a sheet of 50 centimeters with 10 centimeters, okay, and for here make zoom, and this will put some forms like this. So I put some forms together and result this form that have 50 centimeters of 10 centimeters. Now save this image on computer, save as JPG on picture, and save as form. Okay, save. Open the online program Costycnc, costycnc.it CM8. Open files, picture, and form, and here this for code, macchine little for C. Here is gcode, and here for connect to machine and send to machine this form. So insert USB cable to machine, okay, and now click connect, okay, and here when I insert the USB need to appear the port, okay, click port, click connect, and when click connect here need Grbl is transformed on Gbrl 1.1. Okay, and this mode means that the machine is connected with computer correctly. Now I can connect power to machine, and at this moment I can make movement. When click this, the machine need to go to left. Okay, and for machine at home and finish the course. Okay, because machine begin put for left to right and the up to down. Okay, put the phone and hotwire macchine below. Okay, to arrive here. Okay, 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 okay. Open the hotwire. Okay, okay. And now can click button right. And macchine begin moving, and you can see here the pictures of code. Okay, it's finished. So while close. For a result better, it's important that when insert this form, not moving up down, because the seam not good. So I extract the code. Okay. Okay, and put over. Okay, in this mode, that this circle, this fluid is finished here. This circle to here, this with this, this with this, with attention. Okay, and here where first, and now mark up the hot wire. Okay. Okay. I put a little piece for not moving, and now 3 to put. Anyway, it's not good for first time. You can make second time, first time, until learn the mode of this mode of code. So I can test and click right and Clicck Belgian code. It's a little different, but okay, it's a little difference because I see now. Okay, go up. It's good. It's acceptable. Okay. I wait to finish. Okay. I don't know if it's a little hot. Okay. In this mode, you can make the column long, what you want. Okay. Okay. And now return. This is a little space. Little different upper. I did the machine need to regulate perfectly because in this mode my machine I see that this little oblique is not perfectly. So if you adjust the machine perfectly, cut perfectly. Okay. To finish, and I can see the result soon. Okay. This is acceptable. Okay. Oh, it's finished. And now extract the form. Okay, this is a form. This I did is a little different because I need to put exactly when the net first and machine need to put exactly. In this mode, look the column that can be any long. Because in this mode the column can be 3 meters, 5 meters is not limit. Only that thickness in this case can be maximum 15 centimeters. That is large of hot wire. Okay.